Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aske Anggraini, NPM 051, kelas A222. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now I am so glad to greet you. Students, do you know when our country announced its independence? Great, you are right. Our country announced its independence on August 17, 1945. But do you know the figures behind our country independence? Not yet? Okay, don't worry, because I'd like to tell you about the figures behind the independence of Indonesia, so now please listen to me. Student, we know that the proclamation of Indonesia independence give a very important meaning to the Indonesia people, and there are 8 national figures who made it real. Those are Mr. Sukarno. Insinyur Soekarno is one of the people who contribution in establishing the Republic of Indonesia as a sovereign state. Bung Karno drafted the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadasi Maeda with Bung Hatta. Ahmad Subarjo, he then signed the proclamation text on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Hatta. Bung Karno read out the text of the proclamation of Indonesia independence at his residence at Pegangsaan Timur Street number 56, Jakarta. Muhammad Hatta, Dr. Andes Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta, Hatta drafted the text of the proclamation with Bung Karno and Mr. Ahmad Subarjo. He participation in signing the text of the proclamation on behalf of the Indonesia with Bung Karno. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figures from the old group who played a role in prepare the proclamation of Indonesia independence. Ahmad Subarjo participation in compiling the concept of the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadasi Maeda with Bung Karno and Bung Hatta. Admiral Tadasi Maeda was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia to prepare the draft text of proclamation of Indonesia independence by inviting those important figures to his house and let them use it for a very important activity. At his house, it was gathered national figures that had great contribution. Even though he is Japanese, he is willing to help Indonesia out of sympathy for the Indonesian people. Sukarni Kartowirjo. Sukarni was a youth leader and a hero who was persistent against against the invaders. Soekarno proposed Bung Karno and Bung Hatta to cite the proclamation text on behalf of the Indonesia. Fatmawati. Fatmawati saved the Saka Merah Putih flag which was raised at the proclamation of Indonesia independence at Pegangsaan Timur Street number 56 Jakarta. Sayuti Malik, the text of the proclamation of independence was typed by Sayuti Malik. Sayuti Malik is a youth leader who was also very important in the proclamation of Indonesia independence. Sayuti Malik typed the script of proclamation to perfect it from Bung Karno. Handwriting. The text of the proclamation was originally handwriting by Soekarno, then typed by Sayuti Malik to make to look it neat. And B.M. Diah took the original manuscript from the trash can and keep. He considered that the text had a high history. He broke the original text of the Indonesian Independence Proclamation on Tuesday morning, 19 May 1992 at 10:13 a.m. and handed it over to President Suharto. The manuscript was then kept by the National Archive on Suharto recommendation. B.M. Diah's decision to keep the original manuscript was very precise. Therefore, then the first figures in senior is Mr. Soekarno. Continue your talk by reading your summary. Okay, student, that's all of 8 national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes that we should respect and remember. We, as young generation of Indonesia, should keep this independence by raising the food willing to our country. And I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivation. See you next week. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ini jam TPK.